Hi guys, today we have Yard Surprise from Tell Me a Story. Poppy the Shire horse had been at Hill Farm longer than any of the animals. Big and strong she pulled the plough and towed wagons piled high with hay, working hard all day. But lately she didn't seem quite the same horse as before. She kept having to stop and rest. Her eyes seemed dull. Her coat looked damp and shiny. Poppy can hardly lift her big, shaggy hooves, said Boxer the dog. I do not think she can be very well. Then we must try to make her feel better, said Shelly Sheep. Now what can we do? The animals tried to think. What about each of us giving her a present, said Boxer. Good idea, said Shelley. I will give her some of my new fleece. It will make a nice woolly blanket. And I will give her my bell, said Candy Cow. It will cheer her up to hear it tinkling. I will give her some of my eggs, said Hetty Hen, all freshly laid today. I will bring her some apples from the orchard, said Boxer. Hopefully, the presents would make Poppy feel better soon. But when they got to Poppy's stable, she was nowhere to be seen. Come on, old girl, they heard the farmer say. You'll feel better now. The animals looked at each other. Was Poppy really ill? Boxer barked. We're here, Poppy. Come out and see what we've got you. No, came the farmer's voice again. You can all come in and see what Poppy has got for you. They went inside. There was Poppy, looking a bit thinner and rather tired, but her eyes were bright and her coat shone. She was nuzzling her newborn foal as he took his first wobbly little steps. And the presents? Well, Poppy soon ate the apples, and the eggs were a real treat for her. But it was Blackie, the baby foal, who slept on the soft woolly pillow and played with the bell every day after that. The end. Thank you. Bye.